Hello and welcome back to Info. In this video, I will show you how to enter settings on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So I know it doesn't really seem like this, but I do have my GoPro enabled, as you can see, though I guess the camera lenses are different. Yep. So as you can see, it is turned on. And in order to enable our settings, all you want to do is simply click the video here. Now we want to go into the pencil icon, and they are the settings. We can here go through the different modes, different lens clips, some protrusion levels, which are directly responsible for changing our things, the ISO levels, max ISO, sharpness levels, raw audio, even some nice screen shortcuts. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.